snacks today I have for you. My mom.
Hi.
My mom. I can't believe it. Lee just decided to leave us, so I had to replace him with somebody. So my mom decided to go ahead and join us.
Yep. But he'll be back soon.
After the first of the year, he will be back. But for now, we're going to rock and roll without him. My niece also.
Hi.
Natalie. We're going to try Ritz Crisp and Thins. This is the cream cheese and onion. Now, I don't know if Mom's going to be able to eat these. But we're going to try. Ooh. That's not bad. It's kind of light, though.
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah. Well, these will break real easy, so.
Yeah.
Yep. No. These got more flavor than the other one.
Yeah.
Because
I was just.
the other one, it took a couple tips to like build up to the actual flavor, but this is like right out the gate, you can taste the sour cream and onion.
Well, we wanted to get her to eat this. It's hard to do it.
You know how to do it. More? Ritz Crisp and Thins. 50% less fat than eating your fried potato chips. These are oven baked. So, about 21 chips is 130 calories, which is almost a can of soda. So, that's pretty good. And the fact that I've already eaten a few, and I'm already satisfied. So it's I think it's a good just any type of snack.
Yeah.
So what do you guys think?
5.
I give it a 5. I think it's a little better than the other ones.
Right. So this is definitely the favorite of the three that we tried. Okay.
5. No, I
Five?
like them.
So they're crunchy enough for you. She has no teeth, and she can eat these.
Up front.
Yeah, she had no front. She had no front teeth. But yeah, she's able to eat these just fine. So. If you...
He's taken care of, you give me my false teeth and I'll be able to eat them.
that might happen to me someday too, because my teeth are wearing out fast. But yeah, that's another story. But yeah. We're bringing you a delicious thin chip from Ritz. Rich in flavor and oven baked. Ritz Crisps and Thins are the crunchy snack you've been waiting for. And this is really good, you know?
Yeah.
I'm going to rate this a 4 out of 5. I think it is better of the three. So if I was to go out and actually pick something for myself, other than for a video, I'd probably get this again. Maybe the cheddar also, it's kind of, you know. So yeah, there you have it.
Next time I go shopping, I want to buy them.
That's why we do this.
Yep.
Expand our palates.
Yep.
So yeah, there you have it. Another Graham Snacks that works. Let's do the next episode.
Yep.